Hey, how you doing, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome and wonderful day. I'm actually here just trying to get some stuff for sourcing. The past few days, actually a week and a half, I was just been sourcing, and as you guys know, I have moved from my house and I sold it now, so we're in an apartment building. So I thought that's a very good opportunity for you guys to see how things work and how would you be able to do it even if you don't have a house, you have a full garage and everything. So I just want to show you a few things that I have. At the same time, I'm going to show you how much I sourced, and at the same time you will see the whole process, how things works, where I saved everything, where I stored them, and also I got a lot of units. So let's go ahead and see. So as you see, guys, here we have my truck is full of stuff. Look at that. And also the inside of the house, inside of the car, don't mind it's filthy, but it's full. If you guys see it, it's full. And also, this is this is it. We have more and stuff, which is here. Look at that. All this stuff. I really, so now what we're doing, we actually have everything in the shed, we have everything in the car, and also in my other car I have some stuff. But what we're doing now, so basically we checked up the UPS. UPS is coming to pick up everything, so we need to box everything. So yeah, wish me luck, but I think everyone can do it, guys. Please go ahead and do your thing, because it's the time, and I'm just getting a lot of units for us, and I'm very excited about it. So let's do it, and I'll show you a little bit of the process. I'll show you when I'm done packing everything, because we did all the shipping plan. The only thing that we need to do now, put them all in boxes. So I'm gonna put them all. Actually, it was our fault because we didn't do it one at a time all of a sudden. I mean, we didn't do them as we got them in. So what we did, we just basically had them all there, and then we tried to figure out how to do it. Wasn't the right thing to do. I wish next time we just buy, list, box them and ship them, but we're really busy, as you know, moving from another house, and just now trying to settle in a bit. But I'm very excited. We got a lot of things. I think we spent around, if I'm not mistaken, on $6,000 or something like that, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be double up, or at least 50%. I really don't care. We'll see how it goes after 45 days. So our turnover is 45 days to 60 days, so we should be fine. But keep the hustle, keep it real, and let's do it, and I'll keep you posted right now. All right. So now we just made the boxes all empty, prepare them ahead of time. Welcome to the ghetto. All right, so these are the boxes, so I'll catch you after we fill them up. Boom. All right, we're back. So we're almost done. Look at that. So this is all of it, guys. Still, there's all the boxes. We just need to box them, then we'll be done. But so far it's doing well. We still have these laps, which is, if you see there inside, all here. We need to do them, and then we'll be done. So people are gonna ask me how I ship these. I'm gonna show you after how I do. But the boxes, they're all done. If you see how many boxes we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes. 12 boxes so far going out. Yeah, almost $6,000 worth of stuff. But hey, it is what it is. Let's see how it goes, and I'll keep you posted, guys. Take care. All right, a little bit of sweat. Yeah, I'm not used to that, because you can see me, but hey, it is what it is. Look at that. It's all Beyblades. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Fixed a few things, still not done, but we're almost there. That's how it's done, boys and girls. All right, guys, talk to you in a bit. Boom. All right, so we're done. Everything, you see it here, all the way down to all the way up. So 17 boxes. Excited, done. We just need to wait for what's his name, the UPS boy, and we'll be done, guys. But hey, that's how it's done, guys. Keep going, guys. Do it. Do not slack off. And if I can do it, you can do it. No matter what place you're in, it doesn't matter if you're in a small house, small apartment. Start with a few boxes in your bedroom. I don't care. That's how I used to do it before. And now, you know, I have a little shed, but it's not much. But honestly, I could have done all that like as soon as I sourced, just ship them right away. But I haven't. So I'm just letting you know, I did this video just for you guys to see it's possible for you to do it. No matter what budget, no matter what kind of place that you have, you'll be able to do it. So go ahead, do it, make the money. Remember, Q4 is coming. Now is the best time for you to prepare, to get things done. I'm doing my private label, I'm sourcing products still, and I'm also doing retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. Hey, if you can make money, why not? And that's what's the name of the game, is to make money. It's not to for me to impress you or for you to impress me. Impress yourself, impress your family, impress your kids, and that's what matters at the end of the day. And for you to feel happy and to provide for the ones that you love. So I just want to share with you a little bit of what we're doing. And even though we're in the mid of a big move, and we still were able to make it. So I'm not saying me or whatever. I'm just saying it's possible if you put your head into it, and I believe in you, and I think you can make it. So let's all make it happen, giants. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to share all the whatever, how many SKUs and the shipping plan, all the stuff, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do it, guys, and let's make it happen. Take care, guys. All right, this is all what we got. UPS guys coming to pick him up, and then we'll be done. That's it. So as simple as it gets. So we finish everything in the morning. Now he's gonna take this stuff, put them in, but as I see so far, he says he might not have enough space. So we'll see what happens, because that's a big shipment. So that's something you need to expect when you do shipment from home. The truck will be full. So just make sure when you call them to tell them that. We have told them, but still didn't work. But I guess just because it's a new apartment, new house, so that's why it's a little bit affecting us. Before, the guy used to know us and always leave the space for us in the truck, so should be fine. But we'll see what happens. The wife there talking to him, so hopefully, you know, he'll be nice enough. So guys, this is it. So go ahead, do your hustle, and now just make it happen. So these boxes are going to be shipped, and as soon as they get there, we'll see how the sales is going to go, and we should be good to go. Take care, guys.